Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am just up and ready for the day. The sun is shining, but I made a delicious, easy one bowl banana chocolate cake. And recently I have shared a few of these one bowl cakes, like the strawberry cake. There was a mango and lime mango cake, there was a lemon cake, and now it's time for a chocolate banana easy loaf cake. Even your kids can make it. It's super easy to use up your ripe bananas and some leftover chocolate. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get baking. So I have got here 150 grams of softened unsalted butter, left it out overnight. 150 grams of golden caster sugar, 200 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I've got 2 bananas. Now you can mash them in a bowl with a fork, or like me, if you can't be asked, then just do it by hand. So much more quicker and easier, and you don't dirty another bowl. So 2 bananas. Next I've got like 100 grams of dark chocolate block, which I will just roughly chop. You can use like chocolate chips, chocolate buttons, leftover chocolate, which you can just chop up. This is a great recipe to use, like white chocolate, brown milk chocolate, dark chocolate. We love dark chocolate in the house, so I do tend to use dark chocolate. I'm not adding it yet. So in goes 2 large eggs. I've got the oven nice and hot at 160C, 160 fan, 160C normal. Now I'm just going to beat this for a minute, not more. And now I'm just going to add the chocolate. Oh, dang. And literally just fold it in. That's it. A loaf tin, which I have greased. Just going to put a little bit of baking paper. And now this can go in here. And this is going to go in the hot oven for around 45 minutes. When I'll check it, if it needs another 5, well, mostly it's done in 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes and this cake is ready. I'm going to leave it here in the tin for 5-10 minutes before I get this out. So it's been half an hour. It's slightly cooled down. As in, it's not hot anymore, it's still warm though. So I'm just going to leave it on this for half an hour before I do anything. Now I'm going to very quickly make a chocolate sauce. I've got 200 ml of double cream in here, and I'm going to just bring it to a boil. And here I have got around 140 grams of dark chocolate, which I'm just going to break into small pieces and keep it ready for when the cream's done. I'm just going to let it sit for 2 minutes before I stir it in. And then once the sauce is ready, get this on the cake ASAP. And I know you're thinking that's too much sauce, but there is no such thing as too much chocolate sauce. Then you can finish it with some nuts, but today I'm going to finish it with some granola. And this is a homemade granola. You can find the recipe on the channel. And it's time to enjoy. Still very slightly warm. It's one of my favorite banana cakes. What's not to like? There's chocolate, there's banana, one pan, easy, in the oven, out, chocolate sauce, granola or nuts, your choice. Whatever you do, don't miss this. Make it now and come back for another new recipe. And don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye.